My boys and girls, I am happy to see all of you after a long time of 8 months. So anyway, I'm very happy to see you in a healthy mood. So the purpose of calling you over here is, I become very ambitious. The thing is not ambitious for the growth of the institution or for my growth. I am very ambitious for your growth, for your development. The development what I am expecting you is very big. I think it is beyond your imagination, but you should imagine that and do something towards that. So what I am expecting from you is, so normally any college, any university, or yourselves or your parents, everybody is satisfied with some job like TCS, Infosys, or something like that, Tech Mahindra and all that, which matters only 4 to 5 lakhs per year. That's right. So now we are planning to have to prepare you for very big jobs, like 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs, 35 lakhs kind of thing. And all of you should surpass all the NIT and IIT students. That's my ambition. So the immediate question from your side is naturally, is it possible? Am I competent more than the IIT fellow, more than an NIT fellow? Can we do this? Is it possible for us at all? This is the basic question for all of you. It is, yes, it is very much possible, I am telling you repeatedly, very much possible if you are determined to do that, not out of assumptions. So this is out of the practice, out of the achievement we made it in our own institution. So we have seen it practically. Out of that, I am telling you. I think all of you are aware that our Vignan Vizag made around 18 placements in Amazon and Cisco with the salary range of 20 lakhs to 35 lakhs. Yes, imagine yourselves how it would be in your family, in your area, in your apartments, in your region. Suddenly you will become some celebrity. That is what is happening in Vizag. Out of the 18 people, there are 3-4 people from the steel plant. The whole steel plant community of 10,000 people greeted them, felicitated them. That is it, what has happened. That you must have guts to imagine that. I can be better than an IIT fellow, better than an NIT fellow. It is possible. Not if it is 1 or 2, it might be an accident because of the student exception, these things. When it is more than 16, 17, it cannot be an accident. So it is a practice. It is a possibility. That is my ambition towards your development. So what has happened must be all the teachers or all the other institution fellows, nobody got it, this number. Either Andhra University, they have all the students less than 4,000 rank in MSET. Not even one fellow got it. So other colleges didn't get it. Even IIT Hyderabad didn't get it. NIT Warangal or NIT Tadepalligudem didn't get it. These are the good students, But these people got it. With that experience, with that this thing, our own people have done it, not the external people. I want to see you all by next year like this. Of course, those students will also come after in another 4 or 5 days, and you can talk to them informally. What is it they have done specially, how they have done it specially, and all that. So this is my ambition. I want to see you much above the normal colleges, normal universities, even the good universities also. Because I know that your senior foreign year people, a good number of people are selected in TCS, cognizant, 125 got selected and all that, that's okay. But I am not happy with that. That's my problem, or must be my problem, should be your problem. So this is it. So once we achieved something, naturally for all the university people, for all the faculty and everybody think that they are very good students originally, which is not true. So out of these 16 people, 5 students are management students. They didn't get any rank in MCET. Imagine. And another 10, 12 students got more than 10,000 rank in MCET. So the girl who got 15,000 rank in MCET got 35 lakhs salary. So how can you feel that I am not fit for that? How can you feel that I am not better than IIT fellow, not better than an NIT fellow? This is the practically happened. Only out of 16, 17, only 2, 3 girls got less than 10,000 rank in AMCET. So this is my ambition for you. So 1 year time, 1 year means 8 months time is there. So how we are react or use this time matters. First, basic thing is you have to imagine that situation. What will happen in my family or in my apartment or with my relatives or somebody if I get 20 lakhs job. It is something. It is their dream. Not only, the dream is not only for you, for the entire family, entire neighborhood, That is what you have to imagine. So yes, now if you imagine a beautiful picture of that kind, maybe you may not get Amazon, but you'll get some better job, like 9 lakhs, 10 lakhs, something like that. Everybody may not get in Amazon or Microsoft. But if you prepare for that, you'll land in a beautiful thing. Okay. Now, what is it you have to do for this? Definitely you need not pay money for that. So, okay, you need not pay extra fees for that. Only thing, what is to be done? Basic, have a clear picture of this. This should be there in your mind every moment. That is the first thing. Second thing is, your total attitudes need to be changed. Your attitudes totally need to be changed. Means, so I'll tabulate it. Number 1, now your attitude is, let us come to college at 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock, work till 4 o'clock or go away. That is the first thing. The second attitude is, let us work something for the examination or seriously for the examination to get good marks. This is the second thing. And the third aspect is, okay, let us limit ourselves to only for the syllabus and to writing the examination, getting good marks. All these things are right. I am not telling you are a bad this, that. And fourth aspect is, let us limit everything among ourselves. Okay, be contented if you get 3 lakhs or 4 lakhs job and all that. This is your perception as such, our attitude. From this, yes, you have to totally change your attitude towards the other extreme end. The extreme end is, the first thing is, so not only you are working from 8 to 4, you have to work 24/7. That is the basic thing. You should be ready to work for that. Otherwise, that kind of salary, that kind of life can't happen. You have to be ready to work day in and day out, 24/7, nothing less than that. Even if you get a dream, your dream should be like this only. That is the first thing. You must be ready to work. You are capable. God has given you enough energy. God has given you enough health. Everything is there. Only thing, you have to change your mindset. That is the first thing. Second thing, if you limit yourselves only towards your syllabus, you can't get anything except a small thing. Syllabus is always designed for only taking the average students into consideration. Syllabus never designed for any university, either here or abroad, never designed for a really good student. Okay. So, yes, what is to be done for this? See, the first thing is, the basic thing is, you have to, whatever the labs you are doing, of course, theory anyway, it is tested and done and all that. Whatever the labs you are doing, you have to do it beyond the regular way of doing. Means, normally they give the problem and you write the program by seeing some the solution somewhere. Where you are applying your brains, solution is available. But you have to approach in a different way, and you must be able to do the new programs, write the new programs on your own without seeing anything. That is the lab work, you have to do it, regular lab work. Beyond the regular lab work, what you have to do, you have to acquire strong programming skills. Very strong. Must be, the measure is, in the hackathon ranking and other world, of course, Pandkumar and other people will guide you. And you have to register that. You have to be something at the world level. It is possible. International level clubs, there is a membership, registration free, and you can enter into that and you can continuously work for that. There you will find the lots of new problems, new programs, new way of doing things. Okay. So this is the first thing to clear the written test of any big company. Like Microsoft, if you get it, 45, 50 lakhs. Cisco, if you get it, 20 lakhs. This Amazon also is similar kind of thing. This is the basic thing. How strong you are in the programming this thing. How strong you should be. So the measure is, you should be faster than any one of your teacher. Better than any one of your teacher. That's it. Nothing less than that. It is again, it is possible. Every time I am telling, it is possible, all that. It is possible. And the other day, that who was guided at Vizag, that faculty is telling an example how they became after some time. So some industry has given a problem for him. He has worked out for 20 hours continuously, not solved, not able to write the program completely. But out of this team people, one boy has come. So this faculty asked, I am struggling with this, I am not able to get it, I already spent 20 hours. So that boy could solve it in 25 minutes. So must be all of you are thinking, or you are habituated right from your child, whatever the teacher says, that is enough. No, you should grow beyond your teacher also. So this is the first thing, what you have to do. So yes, beyond your syllabus, in the regular curriculum also, you have to do certain different way of writing the programs. And more than that, you should register in not less than 7-8 companies, 7-8 clubs, and be at certain range. I can't say be in the first 10 or 20, because Americans and other people also will compete with you. At least in some range, 200 to between 200 and 300, something like that. You will fail in the process, but you have to attempt. And what is it beyond syllabus you have to do? Third aspect is, so whatever the big companies, they are looking in the emerging areas, which is not there in your syllabus. So you have to cover at least, that is the reason I am telling you 24/7 time. When you have to do all these things. It is not evening or morning, it is 24/7. You have to do at least 3-4 Coursera kind of certificates in these areas. So this is what you have to do it beyond your syllabus. Regular experiments you have to do differently. Above that you have to register into clubs and make some mark. Third thing, you have to have some courses, extra courses. Okay, this is the first thing. The second thing is communication. Communication means I know very well that you can write reasonably. And you have passed the preliminary exam of Cambridge, or some of you must have cleared a second level exam also. That is not enough. That is not enough. You must reach that level where you can talk continuously for 1.5 hours to 2 hours. That is the fourth and fifth interviews, what is happening in those companies. You have to talk 1.5 hours on a particular subject without break. So 1.5 hour talking, for me also 1.5 hour talking means we need to have lot of content behind that, lot of understanding behind that. That is the communication. Not simply passing this exam. So for this, you have to try and you have to participate in various activities, and you should share it with your friends and faculty, and wherever it is possible, continuously on your subject or in your personality or in general things also, you should be able to talk 20, 30, 40 minutes kind of thing. 1.5 hours continuously talking. It's not a small thing. Civil interviews, maximum time is 40 minutes. Civils, IAS. This is going on 2 hours. Out of 2 hours, candidate is expected to talk continuously for 1.5 hours. How much content they should have? How much reading they should have? Don't think again, it's not possible for me. It is possible. I am reminding repeatedly. When I am telling this, giving this kind of statements, every time you feel that I can't do this. But it is possible for you. Okay, this is the second thing you have to develop. Yes, 8 months, 1 year, it's enough. You can make wonders. Many successful stories are there who has turned everything in 8 months or 1 year. I can't waste your time quoting all those things. So, in every field, Ramarao changed the government in 9 months. When you are not born or your children. It is possible. So that is the second aspect. Communication, extensive exercise need to be done. And the third thing what you have to do is, you must be able to express the same thing to your juniors or to your friends continuously. Your own technical things. Otherwise your expression cannot be correct. If you try for 100 times, 200 times, then only your body language and other things would be corrected. Normally in our college also, that is most of the time that happens. So instead of talking to my students, talking to my faculty, developing of my faculty, I am thinking about Narayana, Chaitanya, this, that and all that. Nonsense. Simply nonsense. I have to take care of the customer first. What are the practices they are doing? How much marketing we have to do it? What are the other things we have to do it? Why all these things? That is the first thing you have to express somewhere in your profile or interview kind of thing. The second thing is ownership. Feeling this is my college, this is my department, this is my company, this is my activity. I am enjoying this activity. That kind of feeling you have to develop. So why I tried all these things and my chairman has told me or my HOD instructed me to do this, and you are failure in the first phase itself. They need not continue the interview. You are not owning yourselves. You are not owning this company. You are not owning this process. So the other day I am sharing the same thing with your HOD and all. How do you develop among the students? It's a big deal to develop it. So yes, give them 4 or 5 students, give them one laboratory, ask them to draw the timetable for that laboratory, ask them to maintain that laboratory, ask them to develop that laboratory. That is their lab. They should feel this is my laboratory. Yes, I own this laboratory. There are 10 laboratories. That way, any work outside in the campus or outside the campus, you have to, that shows your personality. These are some of the things, core values for any higher level interviews. Yes, I think big list is there. I am repeating. First thing you should think beyond the syllabus. Even the normal experiments also you should do it differently, on your own, creating, without seeing the solution. And beyond that, you have to enter into the clubs and yes, have made some mark at the international level. It is possible. And third thing is in the extra or beyond syllabus. Third thing is you have to complete at least 3-4 courses, extra courses in emerging areas. This is the first point. Second point is about your communication skills. You should talk on anything extempore way without paper, pen and all this with authority. That needs a lot of content, lot of thinking and the clarity of the mind. I'm doing it without paper. But I know what is the sequence, frame of my mind. When I have that frame of mind at 60 years, 20 years, you are smarter than me, 10 times smarter than me. Your brains are more active than me. At this age, I should forget everything. I'm not forgetting. At the age of 68, 69, the general thing is I have to forget most of the things. So how the body gets generated, so ముందు కళ్ళు పోతాయి, తర్వాత కాళ్ళు నొప్పులు వస్తాయి, తర్వాత చెవుడు వస్తుంది, తర్వాత మతి మార్పు వస్తుంది. This is how the body gets degenerated. Is it? So when I am doing it for 40 minutes, 50 minutes, you can do it 10 times better than this. Only thing, you should have the frame of mind, clarity of mind. So this is the communication. And the third aspect is, yes, something about you have to do some, projects, 5-6 projects of your own, not copied. Not copied. On your own, 5-6 projects of your mother's work, of your parents' business, or neighbor's business, or college affairs, anything. You should have some 5-6 projects. So these are if you do all these things, I am sure, yes, if not Amazon, some company will hire you for 10, 12, 13 lakhs kind of thing. Yeah, then you will know way inferior to, I am telling you from this, no way inferior to any IIT fellow or NIT fellow. That is my ambition. You should be better than them. I don't know how many take it a challenge. When this college started 19 years back, I think all of you know him, I told the same thing to all the people, but one boy has reacted to that. You should perform better than an IIT fellow. Our competition is an IIT or NIT. So that fellow reacted to that, worked for that and got IAS, Sridhar. So if you react to that and think of it in more numbers, I am the happiest man. And any kind of support, any kind of guidance, any kind of thing, we are very much ready to give it without costing you. So this is it, what I wanted from you. Yes, I heard that around 70 people are ready to do that. And those 70 people, without being absent even one day, they should continue it. And if some more people are added to the number, it would be very interesting. And I'll be the happiest man. But yes, your level should be that level. ఎంతసేపటికి మీరు మీ వాళ్ళు అందరూ ఆలోచిస్తారు, మీరు 10 లక్షలు 20 లక్షలది ఎట్లా సాధించాలి, ₹5 కన్సెషన్ ఇవ్వండి సార్, 5,000 కన్సెషన్ ఇవ్వండి సార్, దీంట్లో కొద్దిగా తగ్గేసి ఇదే గోల. అసలు మీరు ఎక్కడ ఆలోచిస్తున్నారో నాకు నవ్వు వస్తూ ఉంటుంది. ఏమొస్తుంది మీకు 5,000 10,000 తగ్గిస్తే? ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ ఎలివేటెడ్ టు ఎ బిగ్గర్ థింగ్, బిగ్గర్ డీల్, ఎస్, దట్ ఈస్ ద స్ట్రైకింగ్. You should have guts for that. Make a decision, act on that, and perform. మీకు చిన్న చెప్తాను, అంటే అది ఇవన్నీ ఉంటే ఏమవుద్ది అని మీకు తెలియకుండానే పెద్దగా అవుతుంది. చిన్న చెప్తా, మీరు రోజు ఇక్కడంతా తిరుగుతూ ఉంటారు కదా. నేను ఒక 8 నెలల కిందట ఒక 5 crores పెట్టి ఐరన్ కొన్నాను. అవసరం లేదు మనకు, 20 లక్షలు 50 లక్షలు 40 లక్షలు అయితే సరిపోదు. అయినా మంచి ప్రైస్లో ఉందని 5 crores పెట్టి ఐరన్ కొన్నాను. నోబడీ డస్ ఇట్. ఇట్స్ ఎ మ్యాడ్ థింగ్. ఇట్స్ ఎ మ్యాడ్ థింగ్ ఇన్ ఏ వే. బట్ ఇప్పుడే ఈరోజు ఏమైందో తెలుసు, అది ఇట్ బికేమ్, ఇట్ ఈస్ డబుల్డ్ 100%. ఐ గట్ స్ట్రైట్ ప్రాఫిట్ ఫర్ 5 crores కదా. ఇట్స్ అ గట్స్, బోల్డ్నెస్, యాక్ట్, పర్ఫామ్. అవును, నేను 33,000 కొన్నాను, ఇప్పుడు 65,000 అయింది ఈరోజుకి. అక్కడే పడి ఉంటుంది కదా. రెండే కారణాలు నాకు, సింపుల్. ఒకటి, ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ పెరిషబుల్ థింగ్, పాడైపోయేది కాదు. రెండవది, ఎందుకంటే మంచి ప్రైస్ రాదు, అంతే. ఇది ఎందుకు మనకి ఇప్పుడు అవసరం లేదు కదా, ఏం చేసుకుంటాము, ఇది ఎట్లా అవుద్ది, ఇంకా తగ్గితే ఏమవుద్ది, ఇదంతా చెత్తంతా పెట్టుకుంటే ఏమీ అవ్వదు. నేను ఇన్ఫ్యాక్ట్ మా ఫ్రెండ్స్ అని చెప్పా, మంచి ప్రైస్ ఉందా కొనుక్కోండి అవసరం ఉంటేని. ఇప్పుడు అందరూ కాల్ చేసి నువ్వు చెప్పావు మేము పోగొట్టుకున్నాం. ఏం పోగొట్టుకోవాలి అని, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇంక్రీజ్డ్ బెటర్ దాన్ గోల్డ్. గోల్డ్ లాస్ట్ 8-9 monthsలో 10% 15% పెరిగింది. Steel is improved by 100%. The way you think, the frame of mind, clarity. అంటే నేను మీరు ఆ ధైర్యం ఉండాలి, నేను చేయగలను, వాట్ ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ ఈజ్ రైట్, ఐ కెన్ డెలివర్ దిస్, ఐ కెన్ పర్ఫామ్. ఎవరో చెప్పరు కదా. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద థింగ్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు మేక్ ఇట్. ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు చేంజ్ యువర్ యాటిట్యూడ్స్. ఏదో 8-4 అయిపోయింది నా పని, నాకు అలసట వస్తుంది, నాకు ట్రావెల్లో ఇది వస్తుంది, ఏం అలసట రాదు. ఇట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఫీల్. దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ద స్కూల్ పీపుల్, ఇంటర్మీడియట్ పీపుల్, దీస్ పీపుల్ డు నాట్ నో. On the other day, when there was a governing body, the Vice Chancellor of Andhra University, Prasad Reddy, asked me, what is the secret behind this success? Andhra University, very good, very intelligent students are there. They didn't get it, we got it. I told him, sir, this is a simple theory, multiple approach, multiple intelligence approach. This is evolved after 2020, last 15-20 years. Previously, intelligence means intelligence only on calculation, intelligence only on logic. That was the previous concept of intelligence. Now the intelligence is multiple intelligence. Intelligence on logic or calculations, all these things, okay, that is one intelligence. Second intelligence, communication intelligence, means not only communicating, it is effective communication. Third intelligence is intrapersonal intelligence, to know what is my strengths and weakness. Fourth intelligence is intrapersonal intelligence, means yes, to open the dialogue with others and to convince them and to work with them. Interpersonal intelligence. Fifth thing is spatial intelligence. This is scientifically proved. Space means estimate. This is what I told you about iron. ఏమవుతుంది నెక్స్ట్ 5-6 మంత్స్లో మార్కెట్ ఏమవుతుంది, దట్ ఈస్ ద కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్. అందుకని మీకు ఇప్పుడు లేదు, కానీ ముందు రోజుల్లో అన్ని క్లాసులు అన్ని బ్రాంచ్ల వాళ్ళకి డ్రాయింగ్ అంటూ ఉన్నది. ద డ్రాయింగ్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఎసెన్షియల్ టు హ్యావ్ ద స్పేషల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్. And the finer level intelligence, that is music, dance, that is the finest level of intelligence. All these things, 8 intelligences put together to make a good personality. This is one form or other form, they are measured. Yes, that makes you right personality. This is called multiple intelligence, proposed by Professor Howard Gardner of America. And it is working out very well in all these big companies like Microsoft. సో ఎందుకంటే బాగా తెలివైన వాళ్ళు బిజినెస్లో ఫెయిల్ అవుతున్నారు. ఒకటి ఉంటే సరిపోదు. బాగా మార్కులు యూనివర్సిటీ ఫస్ట్ వచ్చినాడు బిజినెస్లో ఫెయిల్ అవుతాడు. లేకపోతే బాగా కమ్యూనికేట్ చేసినాడు ఇంకో దాంట్లో సక్సెస్ అవ్వడు. బాగా ఇది చేసినాడు ఇంకో దాంట్లో. ఎందుకంటే ఈ స్కూల్స్ వాళ్ళకి పిచ్చి తెలియదు వాళ్ళకి. ఒకడేమో నేను ఐఐటి మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ చెబుతాను కాబట్టి నా స్కూల్లో చేరమంటాడు, అది ఒకటి సరిపోదు. ఒకడేమో నేను ఇంగ్లీష్ బాగా చెప్తున్నాను కాబట్టి నా స్కూల్లో చేరని అంటాడు, అది సరిపోదు. ఇంకోడేమో నేను ఏదో యాక్టివిటీ చేస్తున్నాను కాబట్టి దాంట్లో చేరను. ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్ పుట్ టుగెదర్ బికమ్ ద మల్టిపుల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్, బికమ్ ద హోల్ థింగ్. Actually, this should be developed from the school itself. I am sure not even one fellow has experienced all these things. Not even 1% or one fellow has experienced it. But it is not too late to have this. Now also you can do this. We have done it. Students have done it. Our own students, your colleagues, the whole, of your level have achieved it. That is what I wish, that is my ambition. Again and again telling you, it's not a small desire, it is a bigger deal, so I am calling it as ambition. Yeah, can you do it? Can you do it? చేయగలరు మీరు, అది నేను, దట్ ఈస్ ద పర్పస్ ఐ కేమ్ హియర్. అంటే మీకు ఇవన్నీ చెప్తుంటే నేను ఎక్కడ చేస్తాను ఇది అనిపిస్తుంది. బట్ యూ కెన్ డూ దిస్ వన్స్ యూ స్టార్ట్ ఇట్, వన్స్ యూ ట్రై దట్. చెప్పండి ఇప్పుడు ఎంతమంది చేయొద్దండి, ఎంతమంది కాన్ఫిడెంట్గా చేయగలము అనేది. మీరు చేయగలరు డెఫినెట్గా, ఐఎమ్ షూర్. సో ఫ్రమ్ టుమారో ఆన్వర్డ్స్ you sit with your HOD, Fanikumar, Hemant and other people, and there are 5-6 people who are very much ready to guide you. And వాళ్ళకి ఒకటే కండిషన్ చెప్పా, మీరందరూ అలవాటు అయిపోయారు 8 నుంచి 4 దాకా పనిచేయటం, నాకు 24/7 పనిచేసేవాళ్ళు మీరు ఉంటే చెప్పండి, మీకు ఇష్టమైతే చెప్పండి, ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ఫోర్సింగ్ యూ. అంటే ఒక స్టూడెంట్ రాత్రిపూట 12ంటికి క్వశ్చన్ అడిగితే మీరు నిద్రలేసి చెప్పాలి ఏదో ఒకటి, అవును. లేకపోతే స్టూడెంట్ పొద్దున్నే 7ంటికి ఏదైనా అడిగితే మీరు రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వాలి. అట్లీస్ట్ నేను కాలేజీకి వచ్చిన తర్వాత చెప్తానేనో చూసి చెప్తానేనో చెప్పాలి. అంతేగాని ఫోన్ తీయకపోతే మీరు రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వకపోతే నాకు వద్దు మీరు అని చెప్పా. మీ ముందే చెప్తున్నాడు, అందరూ ఉన్నారు. సార్ మేము 6 మంది 7 మంది రెడీ సార్ ఇదంతా చేయడానికి అన్నారు. ఐఎమ్ హ్యాపీ. ఓన్లీ థింగ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ ఇట్. దీంట్లో మొత్తం సెల్ఫ్ ఎఫర్టే ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. ఓన్లీ థింగ్ దే షో ద రోడ్. మీరే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేయాలి, మీరే దాన్ని చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి, మీరే కమ్యూనికేషన్ ముందుకొచ్చి డెవలప్ చేసుకోవాలి. అన్నీ చాలా సెల్ఫ్ డ్రివెన్. ఓకే, చేయగలరా? గట్టిగా చెప్పండి బాబు, గట్టిగా, ఇంకా గట్టిగా, ఇంకా గట్టిగా. సరే, ఓకే, ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.